Okay guys, final touch on my dish today. Ikan Kelah with ginger, shallot, garlic, chili, tomatoes, and cardamom. Okay, some oregano. And later, once this cook, gonna put some cream cheese. Okay, final touch up. This. Okay, look at that. Oh, the good goodness in there. This is Ikan Kelah, and then the species. Okay, and then the trick is to steam this fish. But the tip of this hood is just sit nicely on top. So when the water evaporates, together with all the good juice, it go to the top, and then cycle back to the head of this fish. And then you see this slanting must be just have to be perfect. Hold on. Okay, look at that. Slanting evaporate and go to the top to the fish head, and the juice freezes back. It's come back. It should be a marvelous dish today. Endangered species Kelah. Happy dining. Bye bye. ArielTravelTours. Come and visit Malaysia.